Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Thursday. Today is July the 9th. We're out here back in Dacula, Georgia. This is Mrs. Jennifer and her husband. We did their floors about 2 weeks ago. They were so happy with the services that they actually hired me to come back and do their quartz countertops. Once we're done here, we have another screen and recoat in Covington, Georgia, which my network partner Aaron, who's my sanding installation guy, he's there doing a repair because they had some water damage on their floors in the kitchen right in front of the refrigerator, and those floors could not be sanded, so he had to replace some boards. So we're gonna go there once we're done here. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going. All right, guys, so we did these floors about 2 weeks ago. It was a screen recoat UV cure with a satin finish. So we did this whole house. My guys Christian and them came in and moved the furniture. We came in same day, did the floors. It was a lot of wear up in this area right here. We did this, all of this, and the stairs as well. But now we're going to do these quartz countertops. Guys, these quartz, now I lower my voice because Jennifer actually works from home. So we're going to be doing all this right here, here, and here. I guess we're not going to do that because they didn't move that. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started.
Truman, you did that. Truman, you did that. Yeah, you did that. Ooh. Walked in the house, brought the whole shine back. Ooh, hey. Truman, you did that. Yeah, you did that. Woman, you did that. Hey, yeah, you did that. Ooh. One day we're cold, now the whole floor snap. Ooh, hey. Yeah. Pull up clean in the work van rolling. Blue and gold, yeah, the whole team glowing. Screen it down, lay the coat so smooth. UV cure back the night, no waiting to move. Countertop sparkling, hardwood shining. Every single project, perfect timing. Customers smiling, cameras all on. Another 5-star review before we're gone. Truman, you did that. Yeah, you did that. Woo. Save those flows, didn't need no sandbag. Truman, you did that. Yeah, you did that. Truman, you did that. Truman, you did that. Atlanta to Augusta, all around the state. Homeowners calling Truman, don't be late. From wood to stone, we bring it alive. Turning old floors into luxury vibes. One day service, that's the mission. Yeah, quality work with precision. When they see the finish, everybody react, pointing at the floor, saying, Truman, you did that. You did that. Truman, you did that. Every floor, every shine, every single time, Truman.
All right, guys, that's going to do it. T is just doing a post mopping. We always like to clean up behind ourselves. But look at these quartz countertops now. Came out amazing. They just had some residue on them, needed to bring out their original shine. So that's what you saw us doing. And these look amazing. All right, guys, we're about to head to Covington, screen and recoat, UV cure. My guy Aaron just texted me and said he'll be done. He's doing the repair now. See you in the next one.